Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, we got our first double feature. Trying to get this show to you without showing the address. Alright, so let's open this up. I'm gonna open this one up first. No, this one. So, try to open this without showing the address. And my trusty dusty safety scissors right here. I'm gonna open it. I want to show the address, so gotta be careful. Oh, I can rip it like that. And here it is. It's like Mike. It's not in the best condition, but let's hope it works. So that was package one of the day. Got one more. Okay, came in this thing here. I don't even know how to open this. What the heck? Okay. And here's the Trouble on the Tracks PC game I ordered. Alright, well there's my stuff I got today. Just want to show it to you guys. But yeah, got these two. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.